We are going to a Presbyterian church. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to a Presbyterian church. I've never been, so let's go right now. Wow, look at that sign. It's so beautiful. I love the cross. All right, let's go. Alrighty, I just left the Presbyterian church, the Calvinist church, and the worship is actually really good. I think I got a load of video of it. But man, it got packed in there. The Lutheran church wasn't packed at all when I went, but this church's worship, woo, very good. I actually love the worship here, and you actually feel somewhat of reverence. Like at the Lutheran church, I didn't really feel any reverence at all. Zero reverence. But here, I felt a little. But I felt the love of God here. A lot of people love God here, love Jesus. And I was sitting here, I was like, wow, this is a really good service. Like 8 out of 10. But I was sitting there, I was like, wait a minute. I remembered their theology. And I saw the little kids going up, and I'm like, no, I can't make this 8. This is like a 7 out of 10. Because Calvinists, they believe in a limited atonement, which means only the elect will be saved. So Christ only saves the ones that he already made that to be saved, and God sends people to hell that weren't elected. So God will create somebody to go to hell, which I do not agree with. And then their view on infant baptism, where like infants who died, and if they're not elect, they pretty much go to hell. So I don't believe it really supports free will. It's like there's like no free will. And their view on the sacraments, I did not take their communion. Oh, I feel so awkward. So the old lady reached out her hand to go up with her to communion, and I said no, I can't. I won't do that. But their view on the communion, okay, so they don't believe in like Lutherans and Catholics that you literally eat his flesh and blood, but they believe you spiritually eat his flesh and blood. So Christ is in heaven, and then you eat his flesh and blood spiritually. But if an unbeliever eats the Eucharist in a Presbyterian church, nothing happens because you're not a believer. It's only for believers that can eat the spiritual flesh and blood of Christ. Also, their view on baptism. So they believe baptism washes original sin, but they reject Catholics' view on like a seal, like you're sealed with it. And then baptism does kind of save you, like partially. So if you're not part of that elect group that God chosen, then you weren't saved at all. But if you're part of that elect group that God chosen you to be elect, then baptism saves you. Likewise with infants. So they baptize infants, washes original sins. But if that infant grows up into the faith, then that baptism saves them. They were that part of the elect. But if they weren't saved, then that baptism didn't save them. I do not really agree with predestination. Well, I believe in a type of predestination, but not the one that Calvinists teaches. They believe in double predestination, where God sends people to hell. Like he creates people and sends them to hell. I strongly reject that doctrine. I believe it's a false doctrine. Catholics, we believe that God knows who will choose him, but God's not going to send like an infant to hell because they don't have conscience. So they can't, act on that sin and disobey God. So God gives grace to all children, even people who would choose to rebel against God. So I don't agree with Presbyterians, Calvinist teachings, but the worship was really good. And honestly, I was sitting there, I was thinking like, I went to these non-denominational churches, and they teach like everything's just symbols. The sacraments mean nothing. Communion means zero, means nothing. The Eucharist is not that important in these non-denominational churches. Presbyterian churches, they actually do the Eucharist. So I feel like if you're non-denominational and you're questioning and you want to like have that just step foot into having like high view on sacraments, you should go to a Catholic or apostolic church, or the high Protestant churches. It makes no sense if you believe, baptism saves you, the Eucharist does something, and you go to a non-denominational church that doesn't even partake in the sacraments. It makes no sense. But Presbyterian church, it was actually good. I liked it way more than the Lutheran church. So I'm going to give, the reason I ranked it at a 7 out of 10 was because I really do not agree with their theology and their view on salvation, limited atonement. But it was a good church service. I really liked it. But so 7 out of 10. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless y'all. Peace out. So the pastor said to somebody, I think it was the pastor said to somebody, "You look very electable today." Because you get it, they believe in the elect will be saved.